Oyagala okumanya ebiriwo, ebyaliwo, oba ebigenda okubaawo. Program Tambula Nokumanya Gose. Tambula Nokumanya ku MRU TV ne Royal FM. Tambula Nokumanya. Tambula Nokumanya.
Somalia, formerly known as the Somali Democratic Republic and officially the Federal Republic of Somalia, is a country located in the Horn of Africa, lying along the Gulf of Aden and the Indian Ocean. It is bounded by Djibouti in the northwest, Ethiopia in the west, and Kenya in the southwest. On 26 June 1960, British Somaliland to the north gained independence, and the former Italian Somaliland followed suit 5 days later. On 1 July 1960, the two territories united to form the Somali Republic. A government was formed with Aden Abdullah Osman Dah as president and Abdulrashid Ali Shamak as prime minister, later to become president in 1967 up to 1969. On 20th July 1961, through a popular referendum, the Somali people ratified a new constitution. In 1969, following the assassination of President Shamak, a military government assumed power in a coup d'etat where Genocide Bali became the president and was to rule Somalia until 1991, when he was ousted by combined northern and southern clan-based forces. As a violent power struggle developed between Mohammed Felaidid and Al-Mahid Mohammed, the former Somaliland declared its independence, which was not recognized by any nation or international organization. Bale and his armed supporters remained in the south of the country until mid-1992, causing further instability. Meanwhile, the fighting in Mogadishu devastated the city, and this disrupted agriculture and food distribution in the southern Somali, causing a famine and death of up to 300,000 people. Due to deaths, the United Nations responded by authorizing a peacekeeping operation, which was named the United Nations Operation in Somalia 1, and organized a military coalition, United Task Force, which entered Somalia in 1992 with the purpose of creating a secure environment in southern Somalia, and it was successful, and this withdrew from Somalia in 1993, being replaced by the United Nations Operation in Somalia 2. However, Felaidid saw this as a threat to his power, and his military attacked them not until 19 American troops and more than 1,000 Somalis were killed, carried in Mogadishu during October 1993. In 1996, Felaidid was killed in Mogadishu. In 2004, the Transitional Federal Government of the Republic of Somalia was established and internationally recognized to restore national institutions to Somalia. Its support was waning until the United States backed 2000 2006 intervention by the Ethiopian military, which helped to drive out the rival Islamic Courts Union. In February 2007, the United Nations Security Council authorized the African Union to deploy a peacekeeping mission in support of Somalia's transitory federal institutions. The Security Council authorized the member states of the African Union to maintain the deployment of AMISOM as set out in paragraph 1 of Resolution 2093 in 2013 until 30th December 2015, which continued to support the federal government to bring peace and stability to the nation. Since the establishment of the Office of President in Somalia in 1960, the country has had 9 official presidents. The first one was Aden Ade, born in 1908 and died in 2007. He took office on 1st July 1960 and left on 10th June 1967. The second president was Abdullah Shid Shamak, who took office on 10th June 1967 and was assassinated on 15th October 1969. The third president was Siad Barre, born in 1910 and died in 1995. He led from 21st October 1969 up to 26th January 1991. He was followed by Al-Mahdi Mohammed on 27th of January 1991 up to the 3rd of January 1997. Ali died in 2021. Then Abdul Qasim Saram took the seat in 2000 on 27th August and left on 14th October 2004. On 14th October 2004, Abdullahi Yusuf became president and he resigned on the 29th of December 2008. Sheikh Sharif Ahmed took power on 31st January 2009 and left on 20th August 2012. On the 16th of September 2012, Hassan Sheikh Mohammed ruled up to 16th February 2017, where Muhammad Abdullahi Mohammed became the president and the mandate expired on 16th February 2021. However, he is still the ruling president of Somalia today.